When you set out to start a new blog, there's like a trillion different options that you can use for your content management system. And that is the software you use to actually build your site and publish content. You have WordPress, you have Drupal, you have Joomla, you have Squarespace, you have Tumblr and Blogger and all these different options. I'm going to be super straightforward and tell you right now to use WordPress. Now, of course, you can do your own research. You can determine what works for you. But I do believe WordPress is the best choice for a content management system for the vast majority of new bloggers. There's really no contest. WordPress is the most popular CMS in the world, and for good reason. It's free, it's open source, it's easy to use, it offers an endless world of extensibility through themes and plugins, and because so many people use it, there's so much documentation and support. It's really just the best choice. Now, before I go any further, I want to explain the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is a fully hosted service you can sign up for to build a blog or website without having to manage the underlying technology yourself. WordPress.org is where you can download the WordPress software and install it on your own web server. I really like this explanation from the Daily Post blog on WordPress.com. Having a blog or website here on WordPress.com is a bit like renting an apartment in a complex. You don't have to worry about the pipes freezing in winter, you don't have to mow the backyard, and you don't have to fix the dishwasher if it breaks. All of that is your landlord's job. But on the other hand, you can't install skylights, knock down a wall to combine two rooms, or rent out your spare bedroom without the landlord's permission. Similarly, here at WordPress.com, we support your site and we take care of all the updates, the backups, the security. But since all of our users share this platform, we don't permit you to use plugins since they can introduce security risks or outside themes. And there are a few terms of service that we require our bloggers to follow to keep WordPress.com nice for everybody. When you move to a self-hosted WordPress site, it's like buying your own house. You can knock down the walls or build an extension. You can rent out your garage for practice space to a local band. You can keep a lion in the backyard. But if your heat goes out in the middle of winter, you have to fix it or hire someone who can. If you self-host, you can install all the plugins you want, but if one of them breaks your site, you have to figure out how to fix it. Luckily, WordPress.org has a great support forum with many knowledgeable and helpful volunteers. You're also responsible for performing routine updates and backing up your content, but the only rules you're bound by are your own. My recommendation and what we'll focus on in this course is self-hosted WordPress. It's just better suited for serious blogs for a variety of reasons, one of which being that most of the revenue models we'll cover later cannot be done on WordPress.com. The next few lectures will cover the process of installing and setting up WordPress, but if you decide to go with another platform, don't worry, there's a lot more to this course than just WordPress, so feel free to skip ahead.